We've got some of our photos in Lightroom here, and we're going to do our alphabet editing and go into Photoshop. So I'm going to come over to my Launchpad, and I'm going to go until I see this Photoshop. First thing I'm going to do is open up Photoshop and create a new file for this project. I'm going to come over to Create New, Custom right now, and off to the side, I want to change my width to 18 and my height to 24. We're going to do like a poster size. Resolution is basically how many dots per inch you're going to have. And most printers are around 300. Screen sizes are 72. We're going to lower this to 300 in my case. For you guys, it might be a little bit more. And then we're going to leave the rest of this. And so I'm going to go ahead and click Create. When Photoshop opens up, you should have a toolbar off to the side. And you should see some other windows off to the side. One of the biggest ones you're going to use is your layers. And we're going to work with a couple of our selection tools. This is your move tool and this is your rectangle marquee. And those will be pretty much the two that we work with. If you don't see your tools, you can go to Window and show Tools down here at the bottom, and that should show you your toolbar. If you don't see your layers, you can come again to Window and click on Layers.